The debt crisis in America, is this going to be catastrophic for America? Well, that's what Janet Yellen said if they don't suspend or raise the debt ceiling. Now, everybody's like, what's going to happen if they have to, family? This is something we need to understand at a very deep level. They have to raise the debt ceiling. America has more debt than it does income. GDP, gross domestic product, which is all the products and services in America, if we sold all of it, we could not pay off our debt. Over 120% debt to income ratio. Since around 2007, that has just increased. It went negative, and now we're sitting negative debt to income ratio. 33% of our debt is held outside of the United States by two countries. Two large countries are the largest holders, a C word and a J word. Okay. Another thing to think about for just a moment is the treasury yields inverted this year. So what that means is it sucked liquidity out of the banks, which is your money. So they took your money, they put it into 10-year treasury bonds because interest rates were really low and money was really cheap, and so they couldn't make money off the money. So they put it into 10-year treasury bonds, which gave them a higher yield. Well, when interest rates skyrocketed, the lower term treasury bonds became more attractive, which sucked the liquidity out of the market. So we're in a very, very dangerous position. There's banks bailing in, okay? That means that the FDIC comes in, they bail them in, they take over the bank, and then it's open on the open marketplace. They turn the debt into equity and they sell it on the open marketplace. So what does all this mean for you? Let's make it simple. This is the greatest time in human history for you to build wealth. So you're an investor in cryptocurrency? Yes, you can build a lot of wealth by getting into the markets in the next 16 months before the Bitcoin halving. After the Bitcoin halving, there will be a parabolic move. You need to have an exit plan. When you exit, you need to secure in real world assets that have been here for a very long time. I'm using business, precious metals, okay, leveraged life insurance or IUL, okay, and then we're also focused on getting into real estate, real world assets, and then we'll use the real world assets to buy back in when cryptocurrency dips again. Remember, cryptocurrency is not your retirement. It's a very speculative asset that you can make a lot of money off of, and you need to understand the mechanisms of money. We call it the 5 pillars of wealth. So yes, they have to raise the debt ceiling on June 1st or America will default on everything. So don't worry that you're seeing a dog and pony show. They have to raise it. Warriors! Get your shit together. Let's go. I hate that I have to say this, but I will never proactively DM you. That's not me on WhatsApp. That's not me on Telegram. We do not invest people's money. We have a Warrior Academy. It's in our bio here. Love you guys. See you on the inside. Love you.